How to make legendary Nokia phone from any smartphone. Or you can turn your smartphone into Nokia 5300. To make this, you need to go to Play Store and search for Nokia Launcher. Then find this application Nokia Launcher from Core Studios. Install this application, open, and when you open this application you can choose any several Nokia phone. For example, you can use Nokia 3310 or Nokia 5300. Let's see what we choose. Nokia 3210 and press download and install. Press open. Now we have this tab. Choose set default launcher and choose Nokia 3210. Press yes, and now we have Nokia 3210 in our Android smartphone. We can use menu, camera, to return default launcher we press go to customize Nokia launcher, set default launcher, and choose our main launcher.